This video will provide you with all the relevant information necessary for the day-to-day use of your GMS POS. Through this video, you will learn how to take card payments, print receipts, send digital receipt via email or SMS, and how to enable gratuity as well as our bill share feature. How to enable gratuity. If your business accepts tips, then we suggest you to enabling tip settings, tapping the menu icon, tap settings, then tipping option. Enable the tipping option. You can allow customers to enter their preferred tip amount by enabling the Allow Custom Amount option, and there is also an option to enable Skip Tip. You can also set your own tip percent values here, then select the Home button to take payment. How to process card payments. Enter the sale amount by touching the keypad and then tap Enter. If the tip settings is enabled, your customer will get option to choose tip amount, otherwise it will not shown. Then a screen will appear with the total amount for your customer to pay by inserting, tapping, or swiping the card. In some cases, it may ask for the PIN number of card. After a successful transaction, your device will beep and show authorized. If the payment was failed, you will get a different message. How to print or email receipts. After a transaction, you can print customer receipt or merchant receipt separately. Or you can also send a digital receipt via email. Receipt print will be done automatically if you enable the automatic option from printer settings. How to share a bill. From Homepage, tap on the menu icon. Go to the Settings option. Tap on Bill Share and enable the Bill Share option. Let's go back to the home screen, put a sale amount, tap on Enter. A new screen will appear to pay full or split equally. Let's tap on Split Equally. Initially, the total bill will be divided by 2 for 2 separate payments. You can split it more or adjust by tapping the plus or minus icon, click Confirm, then Pay. If you press the back button now, the app will suggest you to receive the same amount until the payment is fully processed. How to process a refund transaction. From the home page, tap on the menu icon, choose Refund option. It will ask to enter the supervisor password. After inserting the correct password, a window will appear to refund from today's transaction or refund from previous date transactions. You will get today's transaction history by tapping on the first button. The history will contain card type such as Visa, MasterCard or other, last 4 digits of MasterCard number, transaction time and the amount. By tapping on particular row, it will show you the sale info with a refund button. After clicking on Refund, it will ask you to select a refund method. You can refund the amount by choosing Card, Manual or Automatic. Click Card option. You can enter the partial amount to refund as well. After touching on Refund button, a window will appear to tap, insert, or swipe the same card used during the sale. Keep in your mind that if you want to refund on a different card, it will not process successfully. If you choose manual entry in the refund method selection step, a window will appear to take the same card info manually which was used during the sale. Tap Manual Entry. After touching on Refund button, tapping the Continue button, a confirmation window will appear. If you choose Automatic in the refund method selection step, the full refund will be done automatically. Tap Automatic. If you want to refund from previous date transactions, a search window will appear where you can search transactions by sale amount, last 4 digits of card, date, or time, and the rest of the processes are same as before. How to take payment if card not present. If your customer don't have the card with him, even then, you can also receive the payment. Let's have a look how. From the home page, tap on the menu icon. Select Settings, then tap on Payment option. Enable the card not present. Let's go back to the home screen, put your sale amount, select Card Not Present button, tap on Enter. A new window will appear where you will get options to enter card number, expiration month, expiration year, and CSC or CVV number. Then tap the Continue button. If everything is okay, you will get the authorized window. Transaction history. Let's have a look at transaction history. For that, as usual, go to the menu option from home page. Select Transactions. It will ask for supervisor password. After inserting the correct password, you will get the transaction history. At the top of the history, the current date will be shown. Then, the number of total transactions and the sum of today's sale amount. Each transaction will show the card type, like Visa, MasterCard, or others, with 4 digits masked card number. Transaction time, amount, and the transaction type. If any transaction failed, cancelled, or declined, the amount will be in red color with cross text. For refunded transactions, a red-colored negative value will appear. Otherwise, the sale transactions will be in regular black-colored text. How to print end-of-the-day report. To print this report, tap menu icon from home page, then just tap on Print End-of-the-Day Report, and a report will print it out within few seconds. For more information, visit GlorydaleMerchantServices.com. Thanks for watching.